If you are trying to run the Epic Games Launcher and it just won't open, then stick with me, as in this video I'm going to share with you all the different methods you can use to resolve this issue. The first thing you want to do is come to your start menu and you want to search for run, then tap the run icon, and inside of here you want to type in %, local app data %, and then hit enter. Scroll down until we find the Epic Games Launcher folder. And double click this, come into saved, and inside of here you should see a folder called web cache with some numbers. Now what you want to do is you just want to right click on this folder and come to the trash icon to delete it. Now if you're unable to delete this folder, it's because the client is running in the background. So you will need to come to the task manager by pressing Ctrl-Alt-Delete on your keyboard, and then in this search box up here you just want to type in Epic, and as you can see the Epic Games Launcher is running in the background, so we just want to right click this and select End Task, and then we can come back over to our folder and again right click and select Trash icon, and now you can see it's deleted successfully. Once you've done this, try launching up Epic Games, but if it's still not working, move on to the next step. The next thing we can try is launching the game as administrator. I'm making sure we have disabled full screen optimizations. Come to your desktop and locate the Epic Games Launcher, and you just want to right click this and come into properties. Inside of here, come to the compatibility tab and make sure you have disable full screen optimizations checked. And you also want run this program as administrator checked. And then you can just press apply and OK to save the changes. We also want to ensure that our graphic drivers are fully up to date, as this can cause compatibility issues and prevent the client from opening. There is a free tool we can use to do this. Simply head over to our web browser and you want to type in drivereasy.com. Once you're on this website, just scroll down the page until we find the download section. I then hit this download button here. Once you've downloaded and installed Driver Easy, simply launch up the app and then we can just press this scan now button. What this is going to do is just going to scan your computer for any outdated drivers, and it's going to make updating them super simple. So once the scan is complete, what you're looking for here is any outdated graphic drivers, and once you find your outdated driver, you can just click the update button next to it and then follow the steps in order to update the driver. You can also press this update all button at the bottom here, but this is part of the paid version, so I'd recommend just sticking to the free one and coming into each of these one by one. We also want to ensure that our system is up to date, so head to the start menu and search for settings, and then hit the settings tab. Scroll all the way down to where it says Windows Update, and then just hit this check for updates button. So my computer is fully up to date, but if it does detect an update, just make sure to do that before moving on to the next step. If after updating the drivers you still can't launch Epic Games, come into the Start menu and you want to search for Display Settings. Hit the Display Settings tab and under Scale and Layout, make sure this is set to your recommended percentage. So for me that's 150%, but for you that could be something different. Then come back into the Start menu and you want to search for Run and hit Enter. Inside of the Run icon you want to type in appwiz.cpl and hit Enter. Inside of the list, you want to locate Epic Games Launcher, and we want to select it and hit the repair button. Now, Windows will try and identify any faults and automatically repair the client. If none of that works, then the last thing I would actually recommend is just to uninstall the app and install a clean version of Epic Games, which we can do again by clicking on the app and coming to this uninstall button here. Once we've successfully uninstalled the client, then you can just head to the Epic Games website to re-download it. Hopefully by now your launcher is working, but if you've tried all of these methods and it's still not working, please comment below and I'll try my best to assist you. If this video did help you, please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.